Good morning, students. This is my first day with you all. Today onwards, we will start study regarding the subject computer and mathematics, reasoning, and many more. You can ask if you have any doubt regarding any subject. I will help you. So today is our first day. On first day, we all are here to meet together for the study. But for further moving to the study, we have to make the timetable. That is the necessity of everything. We have to be punctual, disciplined, and it is only possible when we have a timetable that we are following. Okay, so now these days you know very well, schools are sometimes running, sometimes our classes are not running, so that's why most of the time we are at home. Okay, so at this stage what we can do, we can prepare a timetable according to our routine at home. Okay, so first I prepared the timetable for Jia. I am showing you, you are able to watch on the screen. In this I included everything that is interest of Jia, like this is a morning schedule. When started, the get up early, wear clothes, like this is winter season, so she after getting up she wear some extra clothes like sweater. Okay, then go for washroom, then wish good morning to all, drink hot water. That is the necessity, you can include according to your. Okay, then go for fresh, drink milk. Okay, cloth folding. In cloth folding and lotion, there are two tasks, like she is helping me managing the bed, and second task is she is preparing her clothes for taking the bath. So at this time she can take her clothes also, or either she can help me in folding the clothes. And the next task for her is brush. So we taken only 15 minutes for these tasks. Okay, 6 to 6:15 she will do above four tasks, and then after 6:15 to 6:30 she will do this task. Okay, and then learn computer. That is the interest of her. But why I adjust this learn computer at early 6:30 to 7:30? Because at this time mostly I am busy doing my work, so that's why she is not able to perform any work, like taking bath without me. Okay, because in the winter season, you know very well, you have to take in the help of your parents to take bath. But if you are a bigger child, like you are the students of grade 5th, 4th, 6th, okay, so at this stage you can take bath on your own. Okay, so I included the activity here only. That's why I am doing work here of the house. Okay, like move the house. So learn computer. At this time she will learn regarding computer, like she wants to develop some apps, or she want to make some cartoon movies. So she is learning computer from me, or either she can do herself also. I told her already something. Now after this, take bath, hair, oil and comb. These are necessity. After taking the bath we have to apply oil and comb our hair. Daily she is not doing, just taking bath and running to the TV directly. That's why I make this timetable like this. Then blessings of God are necessary. At the blessings of God you can take your parents blessings also. Okay, and then drink water. That is also including drink water at every most of the stage. Sometime I missed, but you can include according to your routine, like how many times you are drinking water in a day. Okay, then this task she will complete at 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Okay, then again I have not prepared the breakfast for her at this time. So what she will do, she will do any activity that she can do herself only. Okay, so actually we want to push her in the field of singing either, or dancing, or either in the field of computer. So we are just doing the experiments on her, in which field she will grow herself. So play piano. Okay, at 8 to 8:30, then take breakfast. 8:30 to 9, then blocks design. As you know, we have a channel of making the blocks design. So at this time 1 hour, 9 to 10, she will do the blocks designing. Okay, and actually I given one hour to each and every activity. Like here only you can also watch 6:30 to 7:30. So 1 hour is for computer practice, 1 hour is for blocks design. And then her favorite cartoon TV show. Actually we allow her to watch only one cartoon. Okay, so that she can also enjoy the cartoon life TV show, like. So she likes to watch the show that is Miraculous. Okay, so I just mentioned that come on the 10 o'clock. That's why I allot this time here only, 10 to 10:30. Okay, here I have to write drink water. By mistake I written here milk. I will change it with water. Okay, and washroom also. At time to time you have to go for washroom break. Okay, after completing this, I also complete my all homeworks. Okay, at this time I also free, 10:30 I also free at this time. So what we will do, we can study together. Okay, I teach her this time, so that's why I allot the time 10:30 until only 12 o'clock, because these days we are only studying 2 or 3 subjects daily, not all the 4 subjects. You can increase this time also according to your choice. You can make it to 10:30 to 2 o'clock also. Okay, but she is so fast in doing every work, so I allot only 1.5 hour. After this, Actually she demand me, I also want to play with Barbie. She loves to play with Barbie, so I allot 1 hour, 12 o'clock to 1 for the Barbie. She can play. And actually her interest in making drawing also. So 1 hour I allot her to drawing and art and craft work. Okay, after that 2 o'clock is for lunch time. In between you want to eat something, then you can allot your fruit break also, but she is not taking anything in between, that's why. Okay, and after that I allot 1 hour, 2:30 to 3, sorry, not 1 hour, half an hour singing. Okay, half hour for singing. And then again that is also a necessity of everything. We have to play in the park, but if you don't have park, then you can play outdoor games. Okay, and again I included drink water. Before going to play outside, you have to drink water and washroom, that are necessary. If you are not drinking water, not going for washroom, then when you are playing, where you will go? Okay, so after this activity you can include like at 4 o'clock daily we are drinking tea at home now. So when we are drinking tea, she also demanding us for the tea. So what we can do? We cannot give tea her. That is not good for our health. As we are habitual, we parents are habitual for that, but we cannot give this tea to our students or our children. Okay, so I give her again drink milk here. And then I also want to push her in dancing, so I allot only half hour here. Okay, drink milk, then dance practice. Okay, then you can help your mother. You have to help your mother, grandmother, father, grandfather. Okay, according to a choice you can write here. And we are making videos, so I given her 15 minutes to make the videos regarding blogs also. If I want any help to Jia, she will help me. If her grandmother want any help, she will help her grandmother. If both tasks are not there, then we will record the video, because we are recording the videos only in 2 or 3 days, not daily. So at this time 5 o'clock, and after this English reading, writing, speaking. Okay, so English speaking is also necessary for us. Why? Because in every field of life, without the English we can't even communicate with another also. We cannot communicate with any other. So that is necessary for her. Reading skills also, you have to improve your speaking, reading or writing skills regarding English. So what she is doing, she is maintaining a notebook regarding the writing of daily English words that are around us. Okay. Okay, so after English I again allot computer here, but she tell me at the place of computer, actually I will do the work on phone. I have to develop the cartoon movies by using phone only. So I allot her the phone, give the picture easy to use. Okay, so that's why I written computer above and pasted the pic of a phone. If my phone will be free this time, then she will take either, otherwise she will use the laptop for this. Okay, then dinner time, that is 7 to 7:30. After taking the dinner, she will go for washroom. Okay, and then last, before sleeping we have to drink milk and be ready for the sleep. Be ready, like you have to take your necessary things before sleeping. Like some child like to sleep with their teddy bear or something, their dolls. Okay, and then say good night to everyone and sleep. So last time will be 8 for sleeping. And if you want to make this type of beautiful timetable, then only actually I am telling you the way how we have created. First note down all your activities, then count them, how many they are becoming, and how many boxes you have to require. So first of all, make the boundary outside, write the heading like this, timetable, then your name. Then what will you do? You will you have already divided your activities. Okay, so according to your activities you can find out the pictures in your old books that you are not using from many years. Okay, so I just use the Gia's grade first books. Right now she is in grade third, so I use the grade first books and cut the pics and given to her. She pasted her here, and luckily I found all the pics related to her activities. You also able to find out them. Some EVS books included, like this type of pics, and this type of pics you will able to find out in EVS, and these gadgets related pics you able to find out in your computer book. Okay, and this type of images, if according to your activity, you can find out in your GK book also, your writing notebook also. Okay, writing book, like you school will give you sometime writing English or Hindi books, na, then you can include them. Okay, according to activity you can find out the pics and you can paste them. Okay, today I will also prepare a chart for Nishchay, so I was worried of which activity I will include. Okay, you also make the beautiful chart like this. All the best. Then we will move to our study with maths and computer. Daily I am going to upload here maths and computer related videos. For recently I am starting with grade 5th, then we will move to next grade also, like grade 2nd 3rd. Computer I will upload for all the classes like 2nd 3rd 4th 5th 6th 7th 8th 9th 10th 11th 12th, till the 12th class I will include the computer subject. And math subject recently I am teaching only grade 5th. After completing all the chapters of grade 5th, we will move to next grade. Okay, that's all for today. Bye, take care, enjoy your time.